Hello and welcome. I'm Scott Kern. I'm the VP of Customer and Technical Solutions here at Hydron ID. Today we're going to talk about provisioning Active Directory bound Macs. Many of our customers that run an Active Directory infrastructure need to support a population of Macs. The Mac ships with an Active Directory plugin, and today we're going to show you how to configure all of this. So the pieces of the puzzle here to use your PKI as a service: the Hydron ID CertEP proxy, which we've configured and shown in another video. Uh, Obviously your Active Directory infrastructure. And then new for this one is you need to configure the Microsoft Cert Services pages. Those just connect into CertEP. And then lastly, we'll show you what the configuration looks like from the Mac. The key to making this work and allowing the Macs to make cert requests via Active Directory is to install the Certification Authority web enrollment support. So this is done from Server Manager. You just go under Active Directory Certificate Services, go under Role Services, select the Certification Authority web enrollment checkbox, add those required role services, click a few boxes and hit install. Once the install is completed, then you can test this just by going to the local address of the server /certserve. You'll also want to protect this with a digital certificate, an SSL certificate. This page is where clients can make manual requests on the Windows box. This is running on the same Windows server that the CertEP proxy is. Now that we have this installed, we're going to go ahead and move over to the Mac and make a certificate request. Over on the Mac, we're brought up OS X Server. We're going to go to Profile Manager. This particular Mac is bound to AD, so you can see all the Active Directory groups. I'm going to go to Users, select Scott Kern, who is the AD user that we'll be configuring. This can also be done through products like JAMF Now, and you can set these settings globally for all of your Mac users. So I'm going to go ahead, edit this, and show you what we're doing. So first off, we need to configure the Mac to receive both the root CA certificate and the intermediate or issuing CA certificate that the machine certificate that will be provisioned to it chains to. So you can see we've got two here configured. Those will be pushed down as part of the package. Go ahead and just scroll down here on the left. We'll look for the AD certificate. So this is obviously the Active Directory provision certificate. So the important thing here is under certificate server. So this is the address for those CertServe pages that we just configured, the Certification Authority web enrollment. That can be either HTTP or HTTPS. We always prefer HTTPS. The username, password, that just allows you to get into the interface. Once that's all set, we'll just save it. And now let's give it a try. I'm just going to click the download button, and that will download this package. I'm going to go ahead and click the confirm button and install. So obviously first thing that's happening, those two certificates, the root and issuing CA, are being pushed down. Those are being installed. The screen below where it's saying SCAP enrollment request is from our last video. So now the AD plugin, which is something that ships as part of the Mac OS, it's going to go out and make the call to CertServe. It is actually using SCEP, but you're not configuring a SCEP endpoint for this. You're just configuring the CertServe address. So you can see now I've received an Active Directory certificate. It's all listed here. And you can see the root and issuing CA that it chains to. So that completes the process of provisioning certificates for AD-bound Macs. As always, if you have any questions, you can email me, scott@hydronid.com, or go to our website, hydronid.com, scroll down to the bottom of the page, and use the contact links. Thanks very much.